What's up, beautiful people? What's up? Let a few more people join on in. This is just gonna be a quick lip service makeup tutorial. I hope y'all had a good day. It's been a little crazy, this whole virtual schooling and all that. Ready for schools to open back up safely. Alright, so it's gonna be a quick tutorial. I'm gonna use a couple products, show you what I'm working with, and then I'm gonna go find something to eat. That's how it's gonna work. So say hey, let me know you in the house, in the space, in the building, where you at. I do appreciate you coming in. Thank you so much. Make sure you check me out and join. Make sure you join my virtual information so you know when I'm adding classes and things like that, so you know exactly what's going on. All right. Hey, Tanita. All right, so definitely I'm gonna see your comments as they come up. If I can answer any questions for you, I will. Got my little notes, got my products. It's gonna be real quick. So I'm gonna jump right in, let you know who I am if you are new to the page. I am NiSi of NiSi's Eyes Makeup Artistry. I am in Charlotte, North Carolina, originally from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So I've been a makeup artist for about 6 years. Threw on a quick 5-minute face just to show you a little bit of what I got going on. If you want to know exactly what's going on when I go live, when I have makeup classes, what my appointment schedule is, just pretty much anything I have going on, you can always be the first to know by clicking the link in my bio, and you know exactly what I have going on. So that way, as soon as I send an email out, you'll be the first to know, and then social media is the second to know. All right? So I'm going to jump right in. I'm going to switch over. Switch over. All right. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I'm going to show you about is Mary Kay's Satin Lips. This is something that we have. It is in a new packaging now. These are old packaging, which the good thing is this was just a basic satin lip set, but now you have it where it's white tea and citrus satin lips. So you have like your own little spa treatment that you can have anytime, any day, but it works just the same, and it's actually a little bit bigger. So you get a bigger packaging of satin lips. This is good because right now, especially with us wearing these masks all the time, you want to make sure your lips are still moisturized, especially going out. Drink your water. Make sure your lips stay moisturized. We don't want you with the white ring around the lips. That's not sexy. It's not sexy at all. So this is, as you saw, it's a 2-step process. So you have a scrub, you have a balm. Okay, lip balm, scrub. The scrub is going on first, and then your lip balm goes on second. So I'm going to show you these. I'm going to show you a lip color, and I'm going to show you how I get the lip color that I've had on all day, how I get that off. So the first thing I'm going to use is my oil-free makeup remover. I'm going to open that on up. Appreciate it for who all has stepped in the room. All right, so just got a cotton ball. Took a little bit of the oil makeup remover. I'm going to wipe it on off. Wipe it on off. So you can use this on your eyes. You can use it on your lips. It's very good. All right, so the oil makeup remover, like I said, it's good for your lips. It's good for your eyes. What I'm going to do now is pretty much, like I said, you can do this every day. You can do this when your lips are feeling a little bit crusty. If you're feeling like you're a little bit dry, definitely use your mask and your lip balm. So what I'm going to jump into is the mask first. Okay. So all you need to do is take a very little bit. All right. You're going to rub that on. This is pretty much your exfoliator. You're going to rub that on. So we're going to look like Ashley Larry for a second, for a minute or two. Okay? You're going to rub that all over your lips. Now, if you like to do a lot of kissing, you might want to have you some satin lips, okay? Be careful who you kissing. All right, so we're going to look like Ashley Larry for a minute or two. So as I'm waiting for this to sit, remember that the Satin Lip set keeps your lips moisturized. You follow with the balm. There is vitamin E in it. There's omega-3s in it. There is, like I said, the white tea and citrus. There is shea butter. So the shea butter protects, enriches, and softens your skin, okay? So you want to make sure that your lips are always moisturized. Hey, girl, hey. You want to make sure your lips are always moisturized. So 1 to 2 minutes of this lip mask being on, then you take that off. So have a towel ready, have a wet paper towel. So all you're going to do is wipe that right on off. This is not something that takes forever, okay? You want to do it in the morning. Do it whenever you feel the need to, okay? All right. So with the mask, like I said, it's just like an exfoliant. So you're going to have that gritty feel on your lips. So you want to make sure that you get all that off. So you're not walking around tasting gritty stuff all day. So make sure you get it all the way off. Okay? In the morning, of course, I would not have even a little face on. So you don't have to worry about wiping your makeup off unless you feel like in the middle of the day that you're feeling a little ashy. Okay? All right. So like I said, that was the mask. This is the lip balm. So you take a little bit of that. Don't need a lot. If it's yours, you can go ahead and put it on like you would normally just put a lip balm on. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy, so you almost barely know that it's on. Okay? So you see, no more Ashy Larry. No more. Okay? No more Ashy Larry. Okay? All right, so the next thing that I want to show you, like I said, I am not going to be before you long. Not going to be before you long. I am going to show you one of our lip colors with Mary Kay. It's called Berry Couture. Berry Couture. Now, for me, being a makeup artist, I don't carry around tubes of lipstick. So I'm going to show you what I use to keep all my lipsticks together without having a huge bag of products. So I got this off of Amazon. So the majority of the lipsticks that I use on a regular are in here. For me, I took the bottom of those lipsticks and put it on here so I know what color is which. So that's something you can do if you are tired of carrying around a whole lot of lipsticks or you just want them all in one place. So this works for me. So my Berry Couture is going to be this one right here. Can't see that through that. There we go. It's right here. So Berry Couture. If you want to, you do have the option of doing a lip liner. But for today, I just wanted to show you the color by itself. All right. So here we go. So we said Berry Couture is this one. So I'm taking my disposable wand. Again, this is what I use with my clients. So I don't want to double dip. Okay. No double dipping, especially during COVID. No double dipping. All right. So I'm going to take a little bit of that. I'm going to close that up. I'm going to show you where we're going to get to. All right. So with lipstick, you go on light. If you want to add more, you can add more. But it's completely up to you, especially if it's something you're not used to with a bold color. Go light. Add a little bit more. If you feel the need to, you don't have to. Mary Kay has a lot of different colors that just came out, as well as some lipsticks, lip glosses. Go with what works best for you. Okay? So for me, I start in the middle, work my way out. Go around. You have these lovely, luscious lips. You create that little bow there. Create the bow there. And you blend it in. Now this Berry Couture is a semi-matte color, so you'll have a little bit of shine, but it still will have a matte color. So for this particular color, it's going to retain the color on the lip surface. So your color will always stay. We want our lips to continually stay the color we put on when we put it on. The other good thing about this particular makeup, it reduces the appearance of wrinkles. It prevents feathering and bleeding. So you know how sometimes you'll see people where their lipstick looks like it's coming all out here when it's not in their lip line anymore. This particular lipstick helps keep that all inside and on your lips, okay? The other thing, this lipstick has sunflower seed oil and jojoba butter. So that helps condition your lips. We want to have conditioned lips. Again, we don't want to look like Ashley Larry, okay? So make sure if this is something that you want to, hold on, y'all. I'm trying to do this whole thing. Wait a minute. All right. So make sure if this is something that you want to try out, know that you will have some conditioned lips. They will be kissable if you decide you want to do some kissing, okay? But the main thing is being able to have a lipstick with staying power. So even though we are rocking these lovely masks all the time, let's see if you can hear me through this. I'm gonna see if you can hear me. So the good thing is I can still wear my lipstick. Yes, you may get like this little bit on the inside of your lipstick, or the inside of your mask, excuse me. So you may get a little bit of lipstick, and I'll show you how much is left on there from what I've just put on. So you want to make sure when you do have to take that off, you're not having too much makeup. You can barely see that there's any lipstick on there. Not too much, like a little rub smudge. Okay, if there's something that you want to make sure it stays, the other thing you can possibly do is take your translucent powder. That's like a clear, usually it's white. Sometimes it may have a little bit of tint to it, but I use the one that's white that's going to come on your face, transparent, translucent. You can take that little bit of translucent powder, take a fluffy brush, dab on your lips. So that will help keep your lipstick in place, okay? So even if you're worried about your lip color staying with what you do have, or if you want to make sure that when you do put on lipstick, even this lipstick, that it stays maybe just a little bit longer, you at least have an option to try that translucent powder to make sure it stays, okay? If you have any questions about the Satin Lips, again, remember this is old packaging. There's a new one out. It is white tea and citrus Satin Lips set, okay? It's $22. Now, if you want to make sure your hands are nice and moisturized just like your lips are, there is Satin Hands, okay? Satin Hands comes in a few different flavors as well. You can send me a DM. You can check my website out. Just let me know what you're interested in and what you have questions about so I can make sure that you're getting the right thing that's specifically catered for you, okay? So make sure Satin Lips, keep your lips moisturized, especially while we're out here in these COVID streets, okay? Make sure you get your, I'm going to just show you this because this is what I use. Make sure you get your Berry Couture or any other lipstick. Step out of the box. Guess what? We're at home for COVID. You don't got to be inside the box. Step outside the box and get a color you wouldn't normally get. If you want to try a sample out, let me know so that way you're not trying it and throwing it in a drawer that you're not going to even use anymore. Let me know if you want to try a sample out of something that, you know, may take you a little bit out of your comfort zone. And then maybe you want to get a nude or maybe a berry or a beach bronze. There's a lot of different colors you can pick from. So make sure you get your lipstick. Again, this one has staying power. This is our semi-matte. Berry Couture is what I'm wearing. If you need a good makeup remover, you have your Mary Kay oil-free makeup remover. You can use that for your eyes. As you saw, I used that for my lips to get off what I had on earlier. Okay? That's all I really got for you. Like I said, I was not going to be before you long. Hey, Haley. I'm not going to be before you long. If you have questions, let me know. If you like the artwork in the back, this is Say Her Name. Go under Top Shelf Artistry. You'll see that work. What else? I do have beauty one-on-one, 101, one-on-one virtual masterclass. So that's where if you want to learn privately how to do your own makeup, we already know we don't like to be seen out in these streets without a face on, okay? So if you want to learn privately how to do your makeup, you pretty much decide what you want to learn for the class, okay? I create a workbook for you so that way if you just watching the video or you just being in the live class with me isn't enough, you have a step-by-step. You have a shopping list. You know what you need. So that's available. If you click on my page, you'll see that information for you to be able to go and find out exactly what I got going on with this virtual class. For my young ladies, my educated beauties, I will have a master class for you all as well. So if you are in school, middle school, high school, maybe 4th, 5th grade, and you're trying to learn about makeup and you don't want to look like a clown when you go out of the house or go to school when you actually open back up, definitely send me a message letting me know you're interested, okay? I want to know that you're interested so I know what you're looking to do so I can cater it specifically for you, okay? So Beauty 101, one-on-one virtual masterclass. I have the masterclass and private lessons for my young ladies, and maybe even a mom and me. So let me know what you're interested in. If you have questions about any of the products I used, or you just stepping by, you missed it. You missed it. So if you're just stopping by and you didn't get a chance to see or hear everything that I applied, definitely let me know and I will send you the replay, or we can talk privately about what may work best for you, okay? So again, I am NiSi of NiSi's Eyes Makeup Artistry. I appreciate you stopping through. If you got any questions, let me know. I'm an open book, all right? So appreciate you. Be safe. Wear your mask. Stay away from everybody else. Simple. All right, so stay beautiful. I'm always with a brush. I hope you guys have a good night. I'm about to go eat and relax. Good night.